Forest Camellia Triangular Headscarf. Crochet Tutorial. Part 1. Prepare yarn and hook. Pull 2 strands of yarn from the inside and outside, then combine them together. Make a slip knot and insert the hook. Round 1. Chain 3. Counts as 1 double crochet. Then chain 1. Work 3 double crochet into the first stitch. Chain 2, then work 3 more double crochet into the same stitch. Chain 1, then work 1 double crochet into the same stitch. Observe that the stitches are symmetrical from the center. Round 2. Turn the work, chain 3, counts as 1 double crochet, then chain 1. Work 3 double crochet into the chain space from the previous round. Then chain 1. At the middle 2 chain space, work 3 double crochet. Then chain 1. Follow the symmetrical pattern to work the other side in reverse. Chain 1. Work 3 double crochet. In the next chain space, chain 1 and work 3 double crochet. End with chain 1 and 1 double crochet. Round 3. The method is the same as round 2. The pattern is: start and end with 1 double crochet and 1 chain. In each chain space, work 3 double crochet and 1 chain. The middle 2 chain space is treated as 2 chain spaces, working 3 double crochet and 1 chain symmetrically. Repeat this pattern for a total of 19 rounds. Part 2. Edging. Work entirely into the chain spaces of the previous round. In the first space, work 1 single crochet. In the next space, work 7 double crochet. Note: do not chain at the start of the double crochet, or it won't form a fan shape. Repeat this pattern, 1 single crochet, 7 double crochet, until the end. Part 3. Ties. Chain 50. Chain 2, then skip 1 chain and work 4 unfinished half double crochet into the next chain. Make sure not to crochet too tightly. Keep the height consistent. Yarn over and pull through all loops to complete a puff stitch. Slip stitch into the starting stitch, cut the yarn. For the other side, join the yarn and repeat the same process. Camellia Headscarf Crochet Tutorial, Part 2. Round 1. Chain 40. Chain 2. Then work into the 3rd chain from the hook, the 40th chain. You can work into the back bump or front loop. Work 3 double crochet into the same stitch. Chain 1, then skip 1 stitch. This forms 1 group, 3 double crochet plus 1 chain, spanning 2 stitches. Repeat this pattern to the end for a total of 20 groups. Round 2. Turn the work, chain 2. Then work 3 sets of double crochet, increase into the 3 double crochet from the previous round. Chain 2, then slip stitch into the chain space from the previous round. This forms 1 group. Repeat this pattern to the end for a total of 20 groups. Cut the yarn, leaving a long tail for sewing. Roll the fabric into the shape of a flower. Use 2 strands of blue yarn held together for crocheting. Chain 9. Chain 1. Then work into the second chain from the hook. Work 1 single crochet. 2 half double crochet. 1 double crochet. 1 treble crochet. 2 half double crochet. And 1 single crochet. And 1 single crochet. Then turn to the other side and repeat the pattern to complete the 9 stitches. Slip stitch to join, then cut the yarn. Place the leaves underneath the flower. Sew the flower and leaves to the middle of one side of the headscarf.